Bonjour! Vic the Voyager here for Voyageurs OutFitters. So, Vic, you say, what can Voyageurs OutFitters do for me? Well, I'm glad you asked. You are so clever. Voyageurs Outfitters can help you experience your ideal camping excursion. We offer services including water taxi to get you and your group out there fast so you can make the most of your time. Rental of canoes, kayaks, and SUPs to use while you are camped out. Rental of camping gear and accessories that you may need to make your trip as pleasant as possible. And for those of you who like to really do it all the way, full glamping packages. What is glamping, you may ask? Well, owner Eric Johnson defines glamping through Voyageurs Outfitters as just bring your clothes and bare necessities and we take care of the rest. From delivering all your food, gear, and people to setting up the tent and air mattresses, we've got you covered. We can even have the fires lit and steaks cooking for you when you arrive. So call us anytime to discuss how we can help you get out into Voyageurs National Park for that dream camping experience. Remember, your adventure is out there.